Hello everyone, my name is Amit Sonavane and I work in Beacon India as an application engineer. In this video, we are going to see how we can use and utilize the design pipe data in advanced stress analysis to perform in other softwares, and also we will see how to extract coordinates for tube bending machine. SOLIDWORKS piping routing add-in not just allow us to create smooth pipe network, but it also has some excellent built-in functionality like exporting real-time pipe and tube data for various applications in number of other softwares. So now in this video, we are to learn about how we can generate or export pipe and tube data for stress analysis and tube bending coordinate. So how exactly SOLIDWORKS pipe tube export data helps you? It helps you to calculation of various types of loads, calculation of stresses on pipe walls, calculation of SIF, perform flexibility analysis. Also, it helps you to generate coordinates for tube bending.
Alright, here you can see oil tank pump assembly, and I have created few pipe routes in that. All you have to do just simply right click on your pipe route, and here you can see export pipe tube data option. I'm gonna select this option. Under the route assemblies, you can see selected pipe route network. Then there are export options, whether you want to start at a origin or whether you want to overwrite previously existing file. Under the data format, you can see pipe data.pcf. So this .pcf file is very important to perform stress analysis in another softwares, and you need to specify the unit system, whether you want in millimeters or inches. So we are going to stick with inches. Then there is a export button. By clicking on this button, you can export this .pcf file. So let us have a click on this button. Under the exported file, you can see .pcf file for the particular route has been generated. So now here are few options. View selected files. You can directly open this file if you have the software. You can copy all files. You can simply mail it, or you can zip it. Okay, so now we're gonna stick with copy all files, and I'm going to select this folder pipe data, and I'm gonna click OK. So now we will see how our file is generated. So you can see .pcf file has been generated and stored successfully in our destined folder. Now we will see how to generate bending coordinates for a tubing route. We will follow the similar step. Just right click on a tube route, select export pipe tube data. Here you can see tube bend tables based on tangent points and intersection points. So we will select tangent points, and here you can select export file format also, whether it's in a text only or plain HTML or graphical HTML. Now we will click on export button. Here in exported file, you can see the file is been generated. Now we will copy the file, select our folder, click OK, and we will open the file. Here you can see the file is generated successfully. Now we will open the file. In the file, you can see the bending coordinates has been generated successfully and is ready to bend your tube according to your need. So far in this video, we saw how to export pipe data for stress analysis and how to generate bending coordinates for a tube route.
Similarly, like other stress analysis software, you can try solutions from SOLIDWORKS like SOLIDWORKS simulation and SOLIDWORKS flow simulation for advanced stress analysis in piping system. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the new notification. And yes, please feel free to contact us regarding any inquiry. Thank you all.